Hello everyone. This presentation is on 4G technology for CSC 4992. Class is taught by Dr. Zhang at Wayne State University. So first question to ask ourselves, what is 4G? 4G is the name given to the fourth generation technology. G stands for generation. We previously had first, second, and third generation before fourth generation came along. So first generation was the first mobile system technology we had, which was developed in 70s. It was the simplest wireless type media, and average speed was 4800 to 9600 bits per second. 1G or first generation was based on Advanced Mobile System, or also known as AMPS, and it was launched by the United States. The technology was used is called FDMA, which allows users to make voice calls or phone calls within one country. So today what we are using is connected to worldwide. It's making outside country as easy as it sounds. It wasn't possible back in 70s. So problems we had with 1G: poor voice quality, poor battery size, phone was too big, and there was no security on the data. 2G is the next better system that was developed in Europe in early 90s, and you can see the Nokia, the phone set here, which is manufacturer is a European country. 2G is the second generation, which used GSM, which is very common technology used in worldwide. So GSM provides voice and limited data services and uses digital modulation for improved audio quality. But the demand for fax, short message, and data transmission was growing rapidly in that decades. Demand was there, but people wanted it more, and we had the technology. So 2G is a significant improvement from 1G. We need to keep in mind. So what did 2G use? Is GSM technology and digital AMPS, code division, multiple access, and multiple digital system. So 2G digital technologies can be divided into two standards. One is TDMA, time division multiple access, which is GSM, originally from Europe but used worldwide later on. IDEN was a technology developed by Nextel in the United States, and PDC was used exclusively in Japan. The other one is CDMA, code division multiple access, as IS-95, commonly referred to as CDMA, and resulted in the Americas and the parts of Asia. So problems we had with the 2Gs needed to a better transmission quality. Coverage was too spotty. It wasn't too widespread. Unable to support complex data such as videos and the large files sharing. And we still had dropped calls, a big issue with 2G. Third generation is followed by the third generation is a better and the most recent past technology we had before the 4G came along. So 3G network provided the ability to transfer voice data and non-voice data over the same network simultaneously. We are talking about music downloads, electronic mails, and instant messaging that was possible because of this 3G technology. 3G network delivered a broadband capacity and supported greater numbers of voice and data customers at lower incremental cost than 2G. The standards of 3G includes WCDMA, wide band code division, multiple access, and EVDO, evolution data optimized. Advantage was of 3G was less complexity and faster transmission. It was capable to transfer a large amount of data, the large capacity and broadband ability allows the transmissions up to 2 megabits per second. It is so 3G had the high rates data than and incremental cost was less than 2G generation, and global roaming was possible with 3G technology. 3G generation spectrum efficiency was 5 AMHG. So we had issues with 3G as well, which was a high bandwidth requirement, high spectrum license fee, and huge cost. So 4G is the most latest technology. So what is the 4G? For consumers out there don't have a clear idea, a picture of 4G. It is that new. The 4G is the successor of 3G. 4G technology or mobile communication systems that are characterized by high-speed data rates up to 100 megabits per second or greater. It's suitable for high-resolution movies, televisions, and latest gaming system. Virtual initial deployments took place and advancement of this technology between 2006 to 2010. So if we had to compare between 3G and 4G, so we could have a better pictures. That's what 4G had accomplished, or what are the advantages of 3G. So we could begin with the data transfer rate. What we had 3.1 megabits per second. So we can see the 4G has about 100 megabits per second or greater. The other characteristics: internet service, mobile systems, bandwidth, frequency, everything improved with 4G. Internet service, the mobile TV resolutions uh, has changed a lot. We have the better quality picture on our mobile or PDA or other handheld devices have a better quality pictures on video, and the gaming technology as well. It's become possible because of 4G technology. And the network architecture also, you can see though we've been used wide area network for a long time. With 4G we're using hybrid technology. You can put everything together, mesh together, and come out with 4G. So if we wanted to know this, how does 4G work, is because if it's Also it to do has to do with its IP. We previously used IPv4, which speeds about 32 bits. We use IPv6 for 4G, which is about 128 bits per bits. It's a lot faster than anytime we previously used. So looking at this picture of what we had, everything's interconnected, and as the call drops rate is significantly lowest with our latest technology, and we are using that's data transferring with the very large files even while we're moving, and with our towers technology, because of the satellites, and our technology is capable of picking up the data and is not being interfered with anything else, and and our systems is more secure than ever. But there is still limitations with even with 4G. But let's talk about advantages with 4G. uh, it has higher bandwidth, enables a range of new applications, lower cost than any previous generations, and yeah, absolutely, its speed is the most reliable and most faster. So for consumers, we are looking at the great video streaming quality. TV broadcasting system has changed a lot with HD and 3D technology. Uh, the 4G has to do with a lot with development of those technology. The video clips, news, media, music, how we consume our technology has changed, revolutionized with 4G technology. And with our health in hospitals also used this latest technology, used a better patient care today. For businesses, higher networking speed and automation, video conferencing, and the more productive time. And at and I want to thank you everybody for listening to this presentation, and my special thanks to Dr. Zhang and all of my fellow classmates. Thank you.